Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a lover of sauce, this is for you. If you are not, you are going to enjoy this. So sit back and relax this beef dodo sauce. Don't skip any part. You will enjoy this video to the end. So here are some of the ingredients we are going to be using today. Beef, tomato, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, scotch bonnet, garlic and ginger. So we'll be using onions later. So I have to clean the tomato and pepper and cut them into tiny pieces. So here is my pot on fire. I'll be boiling my meat with curry powder, thyme, coriander mixed pepper, Benny spice, Maggi seasoning, salt, black pepper, paprika. So those are the spices I'll be using to boil my meat. So I'll mix them together, cover it and let it boil. I'm not going to add any water. So I add garlic and ginger paste. So here are my well cut pepper. Sorry guys, and carrot, you can see it there. So here is my well boiled meat. So I'll be cutting it into pieces. I'll cut my plantain as well. That is our dodo. So I'll be frying the meat. After frying the meat, I'll fry the plantain. I'll fry them to golden brown. So I have my pot on fire with vegetable oil. I'll be adding in onions. Allow that to fry for some seconds. I'll add thyme and curry. I like putting thyme and curry into my onions to fry for some seconds before adding anything, because I love the aroma so much. So I'll add in my tomato, my diced tomato. Give that a mix and allow it to fry. I add in the scotch bonnet. Here you can see my tomato is already well fried. I'll be putting in my seasoning cube. All the spice I use to boil my meat is same thing I'm using. So this is the coriander mixed spice, so that you know it. Paprika. Actually, everything I mentioned that I used to boil my meat is what I add now. So I'll be introducing the meat into the tomato sauce. Now the plantain, the dodo. So mix everything together. I'll now add my carrots, the red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper. You can see the gorgeous color. Mix them together. Mix them together. And that is all, guys. You are done. It's not hard, very easy. You can have it with anything of your choice. You can have it with rice, have it with pasta. I'm going to be having mine with pasta. So guys, what do you think about this? Are you going to be trying it? Try it and let me know in the comment section how your own turns out. Thank you guys for the support. If you are new here, please don't watch and go. Please subscribe, like, comment, and help us share this video. Help us, let us grow together. I'm begging you. So guys, thank you for always watching. To our returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. See you in my next one. Bye.